Good morning to everyone. I am Devashinda Sharkar. Hello everyone, I am Devashinda Sharkar. Today we are going to talk about nutrition. Nutrition. Nutrition is the biochemical and physiological process by which an organism uses food to support its life. It includes ingestion, absorption, assimilation, biosynthesis, catabolism, and excretion. The science that studies the physiological process of nutrition is called the nutritional science, also nutrition science. Nutritional groups. Organisms primarily provide themselves with carbon in one of two ways: autotrophy, the self production of organic food, and heterotrophy, the consumption of existing organic carbon. Combined with the source of energy, either light, phototrophy, or chemical chemotrophy, there are four primary nutritional groups for organism. Nutrients. Nutrients are the substances used by an organism to survive, grow, and reproduce. The seven major classes of relevant nutrients for animals, including humans, are carbohydrates, dietary fiber, fats, proteins, minerals, vitamins, and water. Nutrients can be grouped as either macronutrient, carbohydrate, dietary fiber, fats, proteins, and water needed in gram quantities, or micronutrient, vitamins, and mineral needed in milligram or microgram quantities. Diet. In nutrition, the diet of an organism is the sum of foods it eats, which is largely determined by the availability and palatability of foods. Human nutrition. Human nutrition deals with the provision of essential nutrients in food that are necessary to support human life and good health. In human, poor nutrition can cause deficiency related disease such as blindness, anemia, scurvy, preterm birth, stillbirth, and cretinism, or nutrient excess health threatening conditions such as obesity and metabolic syndrome, and such common chronic systematic diseases as cardiovascular disease, diabetes, and osteoporosis. Undernutrition can lead to wasting in acute cases and the stunting of marasmus in chronic cases of malnutrition. Animal nutrition. Animal nutrition focuses on the dietary nutrients needs of animals, often in comparison or contrast to other organisms like plants. Carnivore and herbivore diets are contrasting, with basic nitrogen and carbon proportion vary for their particular foods. Many herbivores rely on bacterial fermentation to create digestible nutrients from indigestible plant cellulose, while obligate carnivores must eat animal meats to obtain certain vitamins or nutrients their body cannot otherwise synthesize. Animals generally have a higher requirement of energy in comparison to plants. Plant nutrition. Plant nutrition is the study of the chemical elements that are necessary for plant growth. There are several principles that apply on new plant nutrition. Some elements are directly involved in plant metabolism. However, this principle does not account for the so-called beneficial elements whose presence, while not required, has clear positive effects on plant growth. There are 16 essential soil nutrients besides the three major elemental nutrients, carbon and oxygen, that are obtained by photosynthetic plants from carbon dioxide in air, hydrogen which is obtained from water. Why is nutrients important? Most people know good nutrients and physical activity can help maintain a healthy weight, but the benefits of good nutrition go beyond weight. Good nutrition can help reduce the risk of some diseases, including heart disease, diabetes, stroke, some cancers, and osteoporosis. Reduce high blood pressure, lower high cholesterol, improve your well-being, improve your ability to fight off illness, improve your ability to recover from illness or injury, increase your energy level. So with this we came to the end. Thank you. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to comment in the comment section below. Bye bye. Stay home and stay safe.